In our previous video, we have learned how to return 200, 202, 201, 301, 302, 400 and 404 status code from ASP.NET Core Web API application. In this video, we will discuss about remaining built-in methods that are available in controller base class. Conflict method is used to return 409 status code. Then we have content method. Suppose already you have some formatted data in your controller. You don't want to format it again. In this scenario, we can use this content method. Then we have file method. We have more methods with this file name. This method is used to return file stream result. Using this method, we can return stream of a physical file. First parameter is file stream. Second parameter is content type. Then third parameter is name of the downloaded file. If you are having virtual path of the file, then you can use this method. Then we have forbid method. This method is used to return 403 status code. No content method. Suppose if you are having new resource in the application, you don't want to return anything from that resource, then you can use this no content method. Physical file. If you want to return physical file from your application, then you can use this method. Then redirect method. The work of redirect method is same as local redirect method that we used in our previous videos. The only difference is using this method we can redirect data to the external URL. Then we have redirect to action. In case if you don't want to pass the URL, then you can use the action name using this method. We have sign in and sign out methods. We can use these methods for authentication and authorization. Here we have unauthorized method. This is one more important method. This method is used for authorization. Using this method, we can return 401 status code. Suppose if you don't want to have a permission for a resource, still you are looking for a resource, then you will get a 401 status code. That means you don't have permission to access that resource. Here we have few more methods also. These are the methods that we have in ASP.NET Core to deal with the status code and response output. We can use these methods in controller action method. We can format the data accordingly. The important point is there is no need to remember all these methods. You can see all these methods in controller base class. If you use these methods frequently, then you can remember it easily. Thanks for watching this video.